in the meantime,
I'm dancing with or without music. We're dancing. Hello, family. How are you? Okay, so here's the deal. I have had a very interesting day, to say the least. But I'm here. And I did not record today's exercise, but I will insert a picture of my accomplishment today. I think I did a total of 3 miles, and I'm getting ready now. Okay, so I've been up, by the way, since 1 something this morning. So I just got done taking me a little nap. I don't know, I want to say it was maybe 40 minutes, maybe an hour. I don't know. But I wanted to show you guys the work that I did. I had to show my weeds some love today because, you know, even weeds need love. So, yeah, I had to show my weeds some love today. Yeah, and also I did a little tree trimming. So we're going to turn you around so you can see what I did. Let's go. So now I'm just walking. Oh, this is my next project here. I will be cutting these up, but stay tuned for that. So yeah, if you can be faithful over a little, you can be faithful over much. And God saw fit to grant me with this little piece of house and this little piece of yard of weeds. And I tell you, I'ma keep loving on them. I'ma keep loving on them. That's right. These my weeds. These my weeds. All right. So anyways, y'all, that's it. That's all.